Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers for Namibian traders. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Firstly, the Namibian stock exchange NSX is one of the largest in Africa. However, the Namibian Financial Institutions Supervisory Authority does not formally regulate Forex brokers in Namibia, which means that there isn't exactly a large number of foreign brokers operating within the country. In order for Namibian traders to ensure a safe trading environment, they are advised to make use of brokers that are regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, or FSCA, in South Africa. In this list, we will be looking at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers for Namibian traders. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXPrimus. FXPrimus is a fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 120 financial instruments, which include Forex, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices and futures. Their accounts are available on standard, premium, and VIP accounts with SMS alerts, one-on-one consultations, daily market overlooks, 1-hour MetaTrader 4 and trading tools training on VIP and premium accounts, and more. Featured platform for accounts is available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXPrimus also provides their very own educational center, with a variety of educational videos that delve into trading tools, opening an account, and other platform topics, as well as a weekly overlook panel for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have FXCM. FXCM is a fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, offering competitive spreads on a variety of currency pairs and CFD instruments. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, ZuluTrade, as well as FXCM's Trader Station, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXCM's accounts are available on standard, mini, and active trader accounts with competitive spreads, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, up to 39 tradable currency pairs on active or standard accounts, and more. FXCM also provides their very own educational center, which delves into Forex training courses, an educational video library, a Forex beginner's guide section, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in third on our list, we have Plus 500. Plus 500 is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Featured platform for accounts is available on Plus 500's trading platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to provide a variety of services to suit the needs of various levels of trading, for beginners and professionals alike. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide which covers popular trading strategies for you to browse through whenever you like. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN 0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, and ebooks for you to learn, watch, browse through, and read as you please. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best Forex brokers for Namibian traders, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the #1 broker, the best Forex broker, the best trading experience, the best affiliate program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best Forex brokers for Namibian traders on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.